Hello friends, today, join me as we draw a cute snail. First, let's draw the shape of Snail's body. Next, her tentacles. Then her eyes, her lip. Let's draw her cheeks. Next, the shape of her shell. Let's add her whirl. Do you see any snails? You may find them all over your garden. And now, let's add color to this cute snail together. Let's add light pink to her cheeks, a cream color to her tentacles and body. Snails are like living rainbows, carrying their cozy homes on their backs in the form of spiraled shells. With eyes on stalks and a body that glides gracefully, they're the unhurried heroes of the garden, turning even the tiniest adventures into slow, magical journeys. A light orange to her shell. Snails have shells that act like their very own mobile homes. It's like having a cozy little house that they can carry with them wherever they go. Did you know that snails produce slime as they move? It helps them slide across surfaces. They are the smoothest travelers in the garden because of this superpower, which is like to sliminess. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.